Hi there, here's the scenario. Forensic scientists use ballistic pendulum to determine the speed of a bullet as it leaves the muzzle of a gun. So it consists of a wooden block suspended by a cord or massless rope with a certain length. In this case, we call the length as L. So once the bullet embeds into the block, of course, the energy will cause it to be displaced at a certain angular displacement theta here or a certain linear height. So to help us answer the question here, by the way, the question is we are to determine the initial speed of the bullet. So we'll be using two conservation laws here, which are the law of conservation of